Okay, in this video we're going to work on displaying who is typing, what's the name, and so on and so on. So let's just get started. Again, we will have to start from custom.js, and here to show the typing section we will gonna have to create one new function, and it will gonna be check typing. And in check typing, I think we will gonna have to copy all this, paste it here, but we're gonna make obviously some of the changes. The request will go to check active, and obviously no condition because we will gonna get the condition, not set the condition this time. So token and chat ID would be the only thing that we would gonna need. And then we will gonna head to our web.php, pretty much copy this and set check active, head to our controller. Instead of set, we're gonna say check. It will also gonna be a post request, so we're gonna keep it like that. Same thing, we're gonna use this, and here we will gonna have one more condition, copy the whole thing, where first condition should be chat ID because we are only getting a chat ID, which is request c_id. The second thing is where typing is equals to 1, okay, and get. I will gonna create user, and it will be empty array for now, and instead of this condition we're gonna say count, remove the exclamation mark. If it is bigger than 1, then we will gonna go inside and create a for each for this check and as value. Okay, so we can retrieve the user using a user model and find, and now we would have the value dot user id because we have a user id in our active chat record, so it will be here. Once we will find it, we're gonna see if uid not equals to current user, the logged in user. If it is not that one, then include it in our list. Then we have another condition. We're gonna say count, and now this time we will count the list that we just created, USR list. If it is equals to 1 and user not equals to auth user id, sorry, username, because we are storing names, not the IDs, and user not equals to null. So in all three conditions, if they pass, then return resp user name is equals to user. It would be an array though, and resp text would be 1. Just keep going with me. Else if, this time else if condition would be count USR greater than 1. So the first condition was only true if it is a single user typing at the time for this check. If it is not, then it will check for the user if they have multiple users. If they have multiple users, we have to just copy this, paste it here, and because our user list would be like array, we will have to implode it, and implode it with the comma so that we can make it as a string, and the text would be 1. Else, just copy this one, paste it here, and 0, and there would be another else. right after if, because if there is no record, there is no person typing, then it should also be 0. Now we have to check if the same thing, the check is 1, then response would be 1, else response would be 0, and we do not need this. Just cut it, paste it here, and we're gonna say txt something went wrong. Save it. Let's just go ahead and test. In order to test it, we cannot test it in one screen. We would gonna have 2 separate screen side by side. So I'm gonna open another tab here, and I will gonna open the same, and I don't know what's the, let me check. John is ABC3. Okay, cool. John is ABC3. ABC3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Okay, so Faraz have sent John like 12 messages. Oh, this is my best friend. Keep sending me a message and I am ignoring him. Anyway, let me just put it here and this one over here, because this is our main screen. And if I select John, I'm gonna have to refresh as well. Let me select John, and I have to scroll down here. I have to keep my eye here, and if I select Faraz from here, you see the new messages thing was gone, and you see the beauty here. For me, I only sent, as a John, I only sent 16, which is showing on my side, and his side it is showing that John sent it. So everything is working like a charm. Now let's say a John is start typing. Okay, so nothing is working, maybe some error. I almost forgot to add things here. Otherwise, how could it be work without showing it here? So we didn't do the main part from the JavaScript. So typing on, which is the element we are targeting the ID, and HTML, we're gonna say resp.user underscore name plus to append typing, else show nothing. That's the part we missed, and hopefully gonna work now. If I have to refresh again over here, I have to select John from here, scroll down Faraz, and scroll down because it is a small screen. Okay, one more thing. Sorry, we have to call this function check typing because we haven't yet checked it or call it. So on the very top over here, where we will gonna set the interval, and this interval would be just for 1200, and we will gonna say check typing, or maybe just 1000. Save it, refresh over here for us and John. Okay, so it is showing undefined typing, so something is wrong actually. That was a mistake. Now it will work. That's why the set typing and check typing was not working. I'm gonna refresh from here as well. So nothing is sending right now because nothing is active. As soon as I hit the Faraz, it will start chatting. And as soon as I will hit John here, it will start chatting here as well. So let's say if I am typing, John is typing. You see it is showing here John is typing. Isn't it great? And if I say Faraz, it says Faraz is typing. It shouldn't show undefined typing here. It shouldn't show typing at all. So we're gonna have to tweak it a bit more. Otherwise John typing here is working. And if I say blah 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 blah, Faraz is typing is showing here, but the thing is it shouldn't show here. Let's see now. Yep. John is typing. No, Faraz is typing. John has a stop already. Now Faraz is typing. Now Faraz left it. John start typing. Faraz start typing. Yes, Faraz start typing. John start typing. Perfect. John stop typing. So isn't it great? This is marvelous, perfect, and awesome. Let me get another user on board. Wouldn't it be great to see some chat? Mark or maybe Ali, Faraz and Ali and John. Okay, John and Ali here. So let's say Opera. I'm gonna have to make it even more smaller so then you guys can see it properly. It's even difficult to demonstrate because it's like too many screens that I have to show here. I'm pretty sure that it is abc2@abc.com. Correct chat. Faraz and John. Yep, this is the one. So let's say I'll start typing. Okay, so there is one thing. Sending message is not showing instantly on our screens. We were gonna work on that, don't worry about it. So I am Mark. Made a mistake. So you know what, let's just get with Mark. Faraz and Mark, though it was showing one message like here. You see, Mark sent a message. Yeah, Mark has sent us a message. Okay, what a cool guy Mark is. Let's see what rubbish he will gonna say. Okay, Mark start typing, John start typing, and Mark as well, John as well. Gonna have to just keep typing, keep typing, keep typing, keep typing, keep typing. Oh my god, it would be so difficult. It is super difficult at the right time. You see, all these guys are typing. It's very difficult, you know, to show both two of them. Maybe if I just come over here and try to make you see John and Mark typing. You see, both are showing typing. So typing work is working marvelously. John is typing, Mark is typing. Because they both are typing, they are seeing each other, that they are typing, and I am seeing both of them. So this is the perfect example of what we needed and what chat is all about. The only part left is, let me make it like, you know what, we can do it from database here as well as here. If I come over here and stop typing, it will stop me. And if I come over here, it will stop me as well. Mark, sorry. And John. And now, for instance, hi everyone. If I send it, hi everyone, it will not gonna show the message here, right? It is not showing hi everyone. So this we will gonna have to work on it. We will gonna get back in the next video and finish it off, the entire chat system. Then there will be some other parts, slightly irrelevant parts, but we're gonna work in a way to make it advanced. So take care for now. Bye bye.